What is the biggest mistake people make when investing in real estate, rental property? Kurt Sutherland says, it's more of a group of things that I've noticed investors screw up. If you do one, you often do all of these: overpaying for the property originally, overspending on rehab, just to potentially lease it out, overestimating the rental income, and not having a large enough reserve fund for vacancies and repairs. Doug Army says, a client sat in my office terrified one afternoon in the midst of the market meltdown of 2009. He said, "I want out. I'm going to invest in real estate." "You can't lose money in real estate." "Oh, I've known people who did," I replied. "Now I invest in real estate, but you can lose money if you don't know what you're doing." He explained to me the deal he planned to not lose money on. Let's just say, I wished him good luck. See, when I first started investing in real estate, before I made my first deal, I realized I knew nothing. I also realized there were people I would be dealing with who knew a lot. And some might not have my best interest in mind. So rather than racing out to get rich quick, I educated myself first. I read books, attended seminars, and put together a strategy to follow. Then I launched small, bought a starter tract home in an older but good neighborhood that needed some fixing up. Fixed it, rented it, got positive cash flow, and started over. Now, I've made some mistakes too. Some deals haven't been the best, but, I have to say, given enough time, I've come out positive. But I also learned investing in real estate is really a business, not a passive investment. It takes a lot of time to find and negotiate deals, and then manage the properties. And you need expertise in all of it to really succeed. So the biggest mistake? Thinking it's a get-rich-easy plan, and saying, you can't lose money in real estate. I have a former client who probably could tell you otherwise. Asin Shabir says, it's actually quite simple. It's a mistake I almost made when I bought my first property. The biggest mistake you can make when investing in rental properties is putting too much trust in your real estate agent. The agent's job is to negotiate the listing price for you. However, you have to understand that your agent is paid on the closing cost of the house. With an average commission of 4 to 5% on the closing price, what incentive does your agent have to negotiate the lowest price possible? Always push your agent to continue negotiating. Never trust your agent to do his/her job. Keep your options open and keep the agent aware of the fact that you can switch to any of the other real estate agents readily available to take a quick cut by negotiating a better price. On a side note, I think it's also worth mentioning that you don't want to use a home inspector that your real estate agent recommends. That is simply a conflict of interest on his/her part. Read up on game theory and you'll understand how real estate agents game the system by getting you to agree to an inspector of their choosing. Good luck. Thanks for watching our video on what is the biggest mistake people make when investing in real estate, rental property.